welcome to Lee and Bella's Kitchen. My name is Jen and today I'm going to make something that my grandma made for me all the time when I was a little girl. It's beef steak, or in the Philippines they call it bistek. It's very simple, very few ingredients. It's just a tender cut of beef, onion, and lemon. Here I use lemon, but in the Philippines they use calamansi. Calamansi is a small size citrus and it's green outside, and the taste is between lime and lemon, but it has that sweet note to it. It's very, very delicious, especially when you make calamansi juice. In the Philippines they always make calamansi juice. It's really refreshing, very wonderful during hot summer day. So today it's all about the beef steak or bistek. So it's a tender cut of beef, and I'm going to show you how you can cut your meat and have that really nice tender cut of beef. Okay, there is a way to tenderize your meat, so then when you chew on your meat, it's very enjoyable and you will enjoy your dinner with some steamed rice, or you can eat it with mixed greens or just by itself. But let me show you how.
Slice the onion into thin strips, and now we're going to juice one lemon. I'd like to roll the lemon first so I can get more juice. Use a strainer to catch the seeds. Now we are going to cut our meat against the grain. Cutting them against the grain help tenderize the meat because we are shortening those fibers. Now it's easier to chew because the hard work of breaking down those fibers has already been done for you. And then season it with some salt and pepper and just toss to coat, and make sure your pan is hot. Add the oil, heat the pan, add the meat, and then sear them until they're golden brown. Don't overcook them because they get tough. And then you're going to remove them from the pan and then set them aside. And then in the same pan, you're going to add the onions and season them with a little bit of salt, and then just cook it until tender. And then add some soy sauce. And then add the cooked beef back into the pan, and then add the lemon juice.